Creating playlists on your YouTube channel is one of the best and fastest ways to get more views and more subscribers. So let me show you exactly how to create a playlist from scratch, and then I'll show you exactly how to optimize it so it does actually get views, because just making a playlist is not enough if you don't do a couple extra steps. Let's jump in. So playlists are typically found on your channel under this playlist tab. They could also be found on the mobile YouTube app as well. So people will come on this page, find your playlist, and if something is resonating for them, for example, if you're watching this video, you may want to watch my other YouTube tutorial. So I've made this playlist and it shows how many videos are there. So in this case, 158 video tutorials on just YouTube. So you could click on it from here and it'll start playing the videos. So let me show you exactly how to actually set this up for yourself on your own channel. Click your profile icon up here and you need to go to YouTube Studio. And on the left side of this page, there's this playlists option. So all your playlists that you're going to create are gonna show up over here just like mine. And you could edit any of them and add or remove videos from them at any time. You could even delete entire playlists from here. But to create a new one, right on top, it says new playlists. Now you can do this on the phone app as well, the YouTube mobile app, but it's very limited compared to what you could do on the desktop. That's what I'm showing you here inside of YouTube Studio. Now the first thing you need to do that is required is a playlist title. So I'm gonna name this How to Get More YouTube Views, and any video just like the one I'm making here will go into this one, just different ways to get more views on YouTube. You can make playlists public. You could also leave them private, so they're just for your own collection of ideas, or unlisted. That means it's not private just to you, but someone will need a link to find it. It's not gonna be available on your channel. I'm gonna create a public one. All mine are public here, so people could actually jump in and watch the videos. I'm trying to get more views. And then it's gonna create it and put it over here. So we need to edit it because we need to add some videos to it. So press edit in YouTube. And right now, I did give it a title, but you could also give it a description right here. It says no description. You could also change the privacy setting too if you change your mind on that. So now let's go ahead and actually add some videos. I'm gonna press these three dots, press add videos right here. And then it's going to let me search a video on YouTube, use a URL so I could copy and paste the link to that YouTube video, or I could just look at my own videos here on my channel and it's gonna sort it from the most recent. So how to find video ideas, right? This is going to be a good fit. And I could go down and anything related to growing on YouTube, go ahead and add those. And just like that, it's created this playlist. Now what you could do is you could click the three dots next to a video if you want to move it to the top or the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this one to the top, or let's say actually this one is a better fit. I could go ahead and move it to the top and it will be the first video. Now if you want to share this, you could press this arrow right here and it gives you the link to that specific playlist. You could copy this and share it or post it to your channel or inside of a comment section. Now if you go to my channel and click on playlist, you can see this new playlist. It says get more views on YouTube, and it has 5 videos inside of it. So I've done the same thing. So if you sort mine by videos last added, you could see some of my most popular playlists like this YouTube video tutorials where all of my YouTube videos are. I also make videos about TikTok, so you could see 76 videos about TikTok in this playlist. So depending on what someone is into, because I make variety of content, they could just watch all the videos in that library rather than just seeing all the videos on my channel that are not gonna be only the type of videos they want. So the way to actually get more views with playlists is make them as specific as you can. So for example, I have a playlist called Mac. So it's my videos on the Mac computer and it's just not very specific. But I have a video called how to speed up your Mac and I have about 5 videos in that. That is very specific, right? YouTube tutorials, not very specific. But how to get more views on YouTube, more specific, more people are gonna watch those videos. So title that, go ahead and share these just like you promote your other videos, and hopefully you found this useful. I do have a full training, by the way, if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. That shows you everything you need to know in order to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers. It's a free training linked in the description below this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.